Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on subscriptions with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. To save on Adobe subscriptions, start by evaluating your current usage of Adobe products. Identify which Adobe applications you use most frequently. Consider whether a subscription plan fits your needs or if a single app purchase is more economical. Visit Adobe's official website to explore their subscription options. Look for discounts or promotional offers available on the website. If you are affiliated with a school or university, check for educational discounts. Consider using the Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps plan if you need multiple applications. Explore the option of sharing a subscription with family members or friends. Evaluate whether the annual plan or monthly plan better suits your budget. Take advantage of Adobe's free trials to test new applications before committing. Investigate potential bundle offers with other services or products you may already use. Keep an eye on seasonal sales and promotions for additional savings. Adjust your subscription based on seasonal projects or workload changes. Consider utilizing Adobe's cloud storage options to avoid paying for extra storage needs. Regularly assess your usage each year to determine if you still need your current plan. If you find you don't use certain apps, downgrade your subscription accordingly. Utilize Adobe's customer support resources for guidance on adjusting your plan. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your Adobe subscription costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.